we are back at our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Mary
and
Bill.
Okay, now what part of the world do you guys come from? I know you live in two different areas, but
Massachusetts.
In
Massachusetts.
the summer, Florida in the winter. There you go.
Yes.
So they travel a lot.
Yes.
Okay, now I know you've been with us a lot, and then you brought this handsome new hubby with you.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What have your experiences been like? Like, what brought you over here?
Because I decided we should be proactive with our health as opposed to coming here when there'd be an emergency, a medical issue. So that's why, and I talked him into doing this. He came kicking and screaming, but he did come.
Okay, husbands are smart if they listen to their wives.
I like that.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's
Thank you.
okay, and being proactive. Think of that. You're not waiting for symptoms.
Exactly.
I mean, that's incredible.
Right.
Instead of being a victim, you're actually taking charge. So
Right.
now, what has your experience been like?
Well, because I'm already in great health, I had this blockage that you weren't going to give me any good advice, but you managed to tell me a couple good things.
You're kidding. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, not only that. Okay, the tests we did, wasn't it cool? Because what we do static and stress x-rays, like blood cell, nerve scans. So, and with the human being, 90% of the nerves coming off the spine, there's no pain fibers. Being proactive, that's called smart.
Yes.
True. Yeah, and just waiting. It's kind of like the worst thing is a guy that plays golf all day Sunday, feels great, dies of a heart attack Monday.
Right.
Then that guy was not proactive. And he didn't have any symptoms. That's why I never ask about symptoms. So what did you think about all the testing and stuff?
Good. I didn't realize that I had symptoms. So I didn't have any physical pains, feeling pretty good, but there's you pointed out some things I need to watch for.
It's cool, isn't it?
It is.
And also,
It is.
a lot of things we both have to change, but especially you. I've been no, because I was here with Dr. Bergman.
My scores were better than your scores.
In 2017. Brought a family member who was sent home to die 2 or 3 months later, and he was very bad off. Got here, he was nasty for the first week, he was not even really into it, but once he started to feel so much better, he lived another 6 years. He would still be with us if he did not go back to conventional medicine. That's my opinion. But the point is, he was completely cured. We stayed here for a month. So from then on, this is my doctor.
It's cool. Talk about taking charge of your health. Okay, and I don't know if you could tell, you're a little competitive, which is totally cool. I identify with you, brother.
Just because my scores were better than hers.
It's fine.
Now, what could you tell people? Because I mean, obviously, I scored in the wife department too. Okay, but you guys are doing something totally different. Proactive, taking charge of your health, not looking at symptoms, and particularly you. I mean, this is totally new for you doing it. What can you tell people out there that they're fine? They don't hurt. 90% of the nerves coming off the spine, there's no pain fibers. I'm not going to ask you how you feel. That's foolish. That's erroneous information. What can you tell people that are stuck in that paradigm of, doctor, whatever you say, I'm going to do?
Yeah, that's a big thing. Doctor, whatever you say, they give no explanation on what to do. You, however, have given an explanation on every question. It's not just a yes or no answer. You've given an explanation on each thing as far as why this, why that, why we should do this, why we should do that, which is great, because I like a full answer rather than a yes or no.
It irritated the shit out of my kids. Dad, can't you just say yes or no? Well, let me explain. You guys are amazing.
But this place it's just he's a wealth of information. I think Dr. Bergman's brilliant. I think he's saved a lot of lives. And as far as us coming here now, we had a little bit of symptoms, especially me, but nothing life-threatening. But to me, that's the better way. Come here, and although he can fix anything, but it's wonderful to have all this information and to not only live longer, but live healthy and not be, in pain and miserable.
Huge.
But also I know now what to watch for.
Isn't that cool? And you know parameters. You know how to stretch the calf. You know how to change the sleep patterns. You know how to, and this is the key. You buy someone a fish, you feed them a day, you teach them how to fish, you teach how the body works, then you're looking at regeneration. And that's the whole thing.
It also makes it easier for you to follow these things because you know now. Knowledge is power. And the knowledge we get from conventional medicine is sad, and it's not true. I mean, it's awful.
We don't get any knowledge from them. They don't explain anything.
That's why we're both giggling.
They just say, take this pill.
Right,
They just say, take this pill.
No, but I just can't do it anymore. But sadly, it's hard. Unless someone experiences this, I don't think they totally get the depth of how incredible it is. Again, it's life-saving.
It's fun. Wait till you guys see the second blood analysis that we do on you. Oh my gosh. There's always going to be changes. What kind of changes? I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't do the test.
Right.
I want to take a look and monitor it. And then when we see the post x-rays, oh my gosh, you're going to see completely different. You'll see arthritis reversing, disc regenerating. And I know this is going to sound crazy, but the body is alive. And the planet was built for them. And they're always adapting. We're just teaching you how to adapt correctly.
And this is preventative too, big time preventative. So,
100%.
So again, he's going to be very happy with all the juices I do for him, right?
Yes, dear.
Smart guy. It's honest to God, it's so hard to find a good girl. Yeah, he's going to walk through fire to keep you.
You caught me on a good day. Say yes, dear.
No, but it's highly recommended.
You guys are amazing. Okay, take charge of your health. Don't wait for symptoms. Find somebody that can do an objective analysis. Now, we do a lot of objects. We do the nerve scans, blood analysis, x-rays, and so we're measuring how the body's working. Find somebody that does that, tells you what's wrong, and then shows you how to fix it. If you're taking drugs, find out why you're taking them, because long-term drug use ain't good.
And don't let conventional doctors tell you that chiropractic care is very dangerous, because it's not. It's not, trust me.
Yeah.
We feel so much better. I mean, we've only had like 6 or 7 adjustments. It's just amazing.
If you find the right guy.
And I didn't,
the right chiropractor.
Yeah, that's
right. And we got a list of 7 questions. And it doesn't mean that what we do is right and what others do is wrong. I mean, do you find out what's wrong? Yeah, you do nerve scans and x-rays, okay? Do you do other tests to show that you actually fix the problems you found on the first test?
Yeah.
I know you want to say, duh.
Well, again, that common sense is real.
It's common sense.
One of the good things was, as you started to go through the tests, I was relieved that you didn't find more things wrong with me.
No, we're supposed to go to 100 years old, healthy, dynamic, strong.
That's the truth.
And that's what we're going to be doing. You just got to take charge of your health.
Yeah, you have me for another 50 years. We're going to go over 100.
Yes, sir.
God bless you all. Take charge of your health. You folks are amazing. God bless you.
You are too.
Stay healthy, my friends.
It's been fun.